welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send automated daily messages on your own Discord channel like this. So to do this, open the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect and follow me. So if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. So go on that URL and in the top right corner you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as schedule. So schedule by Pabbly is a feature which helps you to schedule your workflows, and I want to schedule this workflow for every day. So for the event, select schedule workflow and click on this connect. It is saying how often do you want to run your workflow. So I'm going to select it as every day. For the time, I want to run this workflow every day in morning, so I'm going to keep it as 9 a.m. So let's enter 9 a.m. click on this OK and then save. Now this workflow has been scheduled for every day 9 a.m. This workflow is going to run, and further we're going to send a daily motivational quote on this Discord channel. For that, let's close this trigger, and now we're going to generate this code using OpenAI, which is my AI tool for today. So to do this, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for OpenAI and select OpenAI. For the event, you have to select it as ChatGPT and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add new connection, and it is asking me for the token. So to get this token, click on this OpenAI API key page, and this hyperlink is going to open, where what you have to do is you have to click on this create new secret key. You have to enter the key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created, so copy this key and paste it right over here in your workflow and click on this save, and your OpenAI account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After doing this, you have to select the AI model. So I'm going to select the AI model as GPT-5. You can select any another of your choice, but you have to make sure that in order to run these workflows, you have a paid OpenAI account. Otherwise, you can use any another AI tool too, like Gemini or Perplexity. It depends upon you. Now for the prompt, I'm going to enter the prompt as this, which says generate one short and engaging daily message for a Discord community. The message should be unique every day and can be motivational, inspiring or thought-provoking. And as you can see the rest of the prompt. So I've entered this prompt according to the message I wish to generate. You have to enter it according to yours. Now after entering this prompt, click on this save and send test request, and once you click on the save and send test request, your OpenAI is going to generate you a message which further we're going to post on our Discord. So we just have to wait for a few seconds till it is generating me this daily message. So yes, you can see that we have received the response, and over here you're going to see that this is the message which it has generated. So now let's post this on a Discord. For that, I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for Discord and select it. For the action event, I'm going to select it as send channel message markdown because I've generated the daily message in markdown format. If you have generated this in HTML, you can select HTML too. I'm going to select it as markdown and click on this connect. Now it is asking me for the webhook URL. So to get this webhook URL, open your Discord, go to its the server name, then go to its the server settings. From the left end of the site, come on this integrations, then webhooks. Click on this new webhook and a new webhook will be added right over here. You have to change the name of the webhook. So let's say I'm going to keep it as Pabbly bot, and now for the channel, I'm going to select the channel in which I want to send daily messages. After doing this, click on this copy webhook URL and then save changes. Now what you have to do is you have to paste the webhook URL right over here in your workflow. After pasting this, it is asking me for the message. So we're going to enter the message which our OpenAI generated, but we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So as you can see that I've mapped this message. Now for the bot name, if you wish, you can definitely enter the bot name right over here too, but this is not required, so you can leave it as blank too. Same goes for the bot icon. If you wish, you can definitely add the bot icon. Now it is saying text to speech, so I'm going to keep it as disable. If you wish, you can definitely enable it right from here. After entering all of this, click on the save and send test request, and once we click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent the channel message. So let's open our Discord, let's go back, and you're going to see this message has been sent right now, and you're going to see that this is the same message which my AI generated. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now what is going to happen is that every day this workflow is going to run at 9 a.m. OpenAI is going to generate a daily message, and that message will be sent on my Discord channel. And all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you wish to copy my prompt, or if you wish to access my workflow, I'm going to attach the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. You can check out my workflow, use this prompt, and create this amazing automation for your own Discord channel too. So go and try this right now, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.